Hey everyone, welcome back to the next section. Now in this video we are going to show you how you can convert PowerPoint presentation files, that is .ppt or pptx files, into a PDF files, that is a Acrobat Reader file, which you can easily print out or use as an ebook. So in order to do this, first of all, you will need a PowerPoint file which you want to convert. For example, I have this presentation which has two slides in it, and I want it to be a PDF file so that I can use it, print it, and take it instead of being it a presentation. So this has two slides, and I want these to be pages in a PowerPoint file. So what I will do is I will have to go to this website known as Small PDF. So once we go to this website, we will see that there are various options which you can do. Now, for example, to convert this, I will have to click on this PPT to PDF, and once I click on this, you can see here is the option to drop the PPT file here. So what will I have to do is go to the folder in which there is my PPT file, click it and drag it into here. You can also click on that option to browse to the folder you want to, and you can see it is converting. It will convert really quickly. This is a very fast process, and the best thing about this process is you don't have to download or install any software to do that. You can do it online just on the go, and you can see it has been converted. Now I will click on this arrow, down arrow here, to download this file, and you can see it has already started and finished downloading. Now I can click on it here to open the file, and you can see how easily it has been converted into a PDF file, and that looks very beautiful. Now I can go ahead and print it, download it, or do anything with it. So this is a very convenient way without any installation, and this is a free way. You can do it online, you can do it anywhere on the go, so you don't have to carry anything with you. So this is a very helpful way if this method was able to help you. So please give this video a like, and if you want to have more tutorials like this, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
You